Samsung Galaxy Dream is on. For those who don't know, Galaxy Dream is a project for Samsung's 2025 chips for Galaxy S series and beyond, a chip that would actually rival Apple's M series, and well, things just got a lot more exciting. Samsung's two trusted best friends in the world of tech are Google and AMD. Recently, Samsung has collaborated with both of these brands. They helped Google come back to the flagship scene, making the Tensor chip and cameras for the Pixel 7 series, while Google has shown Samsung how good they are with optimization. And well, according to the latest news, the Dream team is now doing a collaboration with the team behind Google Tensor as well as the team behind the Radeon GPUs from AMD to design a chip that will be the most optimized ever for a Galaxy smartphone. Based on this leak diagram shown by the source, it looks like we could be seeing a 10-core chip. All this will be combined with a Radeon graphics GPU. Considering how Samsung, even after years of research, couldn't really deliver the very best with the Exynos chips, they could definitely use some collaboration, especially with Google when it comes to optimizing the chip with the software, as we have seen the results on the latest Pixel 7 series. If Samsung really wants to take on Apple, especially their M series chip, then this would be a great collaboration to do. The Galaxy Dream chip is expected to be not only the best chip for Galaxy phones, but also for laptops, potentially bringing a proper challenge to Apple's M series chip. All in all, I'm really excited to see where this is going. 2025 is far, but it's enough time to realistically expect greatness from Samsung. Now, while Exynos is dead for Galaxy S series, it's still alive for the Galaxy A series. Yes, the Exynos 1300 and Exynos 1380 were spotted via Bluetooth certification. Of course, we're going to see this on the Galaxy A54. Speaking of which, we actually got the leaked design for this phone, and apparently the phone is looking very much like a Galaxy S23 but with a lot thicker bezels. Yes, if you look at the camera, you can see that we do have that patternless camera design going on, making it look very similar to the S23, but then again, the bezels are thicker, which is one of the ways Samsung is trying to make this phone different compared to the S23, and it's also a cost reduction strategy for Samsung. I'm definitely not a fan of the bezels. They're looking worse than Galaxy A53. Hopefully they're able to compensate this with an even cheaper price or maybe even better specs, especially with the cameras. But let me know what you think about the design of the Galaxy A54 in the comments below. So that's all the latest news. The Galaxy Dream team is working and possibly now collaborating with Google and AMD to create the best chip for the Galaxy S series in 2025 and beyond. Samsung's own Exynos brand will be back, maybe with a different name, but it will be back. Qualcomm is not going to be a forever fix. Hopefully Samsung can actually unlock the ultimate game to the table. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.